Hello, my wonderful listeners. Do you know what a letter is? Of course, you do. We have so many letters that make so many sounds. But sometimes, a letter likes to play a trick. It's super sneaky, and it changes things without making a sound itself. Today, we're going to meet the sneaky silent E. Imagine our letters are like little friends who live in a word house. Most of them shout their names loud and clear. But not the sneaky silent E. Let's look at some words and see what happens when the sneaky silent E hops in. Hold up a visual aid, if possible, with the word cap written clearly. See this word? It says CAP. Can you sound it out with me? CAP, that makes cap. Like the cap you wear on your head to keep the sun out. The R here makes its short sound, R. CAP, cap. Now, shush. Here comes the sneaky silent E. It creeps to the end of the word, quiet as a mouse. Add the E to the visual aid so it now says cape. Look. There it is. It's right there at the end. But listen carefully, do you hear it say anything? No. It's totally silent. It's the sneaky silent E. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.